Hey everyone, my name is Frances E. with Holistretch. I'm here to help you feel good and feel free in your body. If you like these kinds of videos where you get to stretch and work out, then please subscribe to the channel. There's so much more where this came from. So if you guys want to learn how to open up your pecs, this actually doubles as a chest opener and a heart opener. So in the case that you're feeling kind of low or low energy or sad, then these stretches will definitely help perk you up. All right, you guys ready to get started? Let's do it. So what you want to do is you want to find a wall, okay? So this does require that you have some kind of wall or something that you can press up against. So it could be a pole even, or just something that's really steady and stable, okay? So you're going to press the palm of your hand against the wall and just pressing every single fingertip into the wall. You really want to notice that your fingertips are pressed tightly against the wall. Keep your arm straight. And what you're going to do is you're going to face your elbow. First facing your elbow, pressing the hand against the wall. And so your biceps are contracted here. And as you're pushing against the wall, you're going to start to rotate your body, rotating all the way back around. So it's going to start to open up the pec here on the right side. Keep pressing into the wall. And then stretching out this way, okay? So we're gonna come all the way back, so keep pressing into the wall to rotate your body this way, and then keep pressing into the wall as your body rotates to the other side. Now what I want you to do is get that arm even more against the wall, and get a little bit deeper into the chest. Keep pressing against the wall, we're gonna rotate again, facing the elbow on this side. You might start to shake already. I'm already kind of starting to shake a little bit. Might be a little weak. And so you want to press and then rotate the body. All the way up, pressing that shoulder against the wall. And again, rotating towards the elbow. Keep pressing and rotate around. Okay, excellent job. We're going to do the other side now. So you want to take your other hand, of course, press onto the wall. And same thing, fingertips press onto the wall. You want your shoulder to be about 90 degrees, okay? And pressing the fingertips down, fingers down, rotate towards the elbow. And then keep pressing as we rotate the body the opposite direction. Okay, squeezing in and rotating. You can keep a slight bend in your elbow, but mostly you want your arms straight, pulling the body towards the elbow and pressing, rotating. You might have a lot of cracks going on in the shoulder. This is all good. This is all recalibrating your body and realigning your body. So pressing and rotating. Well, I hope this stretch helped you. Sometimes at the end, I like to just hold the arm straight here with the arms crossed. You can even lift the fingertips up off the wall, and you can get a little bit of a deeper stretch here. And you just hold, okay? And the most important part is just to keep that arm contracted so that when you're opening up, you are doing a resistance stretch, which helps break apart any dense fascia, any scar tissue, any tightness and tension that you have in the chest area. So I really hope this video helped you. If there's anything that you want to focus on and work on, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. You guys take care.